How's it going, guys? Welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, I'm going to be explaining and showing you how to change your Xbox One or Xbox 360 gamer tag in 2019. Very straightforward. Just going to show you how to do it. I'm not going to sit here and lecture you. If you guys, this also works for changing your Fortnite display name. If you guys are curious about that, you just simply change your gamer tag, link it to your Epic account, and your Xbox Fortnite display name will change with your new Xbox name. So first, let's hop right into it. Go to xbox.com and sign into your account. Just click sign in the top right, and once you're signed in, click on your profile right here. It'll bring down a drop-down menu. Click these three dots right here and click Xbox settings. Click on that. I've been having errors with this all day. Xbox's website is very glitchy. So here are all your settings. You're gonna click change gamer tag. And by the way, this is all 100% free, guys. You get one free change for your Xbox gamer tag, by the way. So if any of you guys are wondering, you can change it once for free. And here are all the requirements for changing it and such. You can change it once for free, and then after that, they're going to charge you to change it because they don't want you changing your name like a gazillion times. They want you to stick with like one name and such. So guys, that's how you change your Xbox name. So type whatever you want. Say I want to change it to Life Made Easy. And then you click check availability. So that's taken. So you try another one. Say like put a 1 there. Check availability. And of course I get an error, but so you keep checking the availability. Once it opens up, you can it'll say confirm that, and your gamer tag will be changed and such. So when you log into your Xbox again, that'll be your new gamer tag, and that'll show up in games, and your friends will see that specific name now from then on. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something useful. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. Leave me more video suggestions down below. Also, guys, go check me out on Anchor Podcast. Go follow me on my social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, stuff like that. Also, if you guys want to play some Apex Legends with me, just add me. Baseball Batter 1 right now. I'm probably going to change my gamer tag, honestly, to Life Made Easy, just so I can represent the YouTube channel on Xbox as well. So, guys, and I'm also streaming on Twitch some Apex Legends, so if you guys want to go follow me on there, Life Made Easy 10, linked below. And you can guys play with me on stream. So that's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.